Converting units, this should not be something new to you, this should be something familiar to you, so we should be able to move through this unit really quite quickly. So welcome to Converting Units with Mr. D. Okay, straight away you can see some things that I've got up here that are going to be useful. I've got the divide symbol, I've got the multiplied symbol, and I've also got some abbreviations here. Hopefully you know all these. Just take a second to have a little think. Do you know what they all stand for? Hopefully some of them jump out at you straight away. Okay, kilometre being the biggest, then the meters, then centimeters, then millimeters. Also, I want to draw your attention to some of our key vocabulary today. Now, there's lots of other words I will use too, but these are the ones I want you to commit to your memory today. Converting, so swapping from one thing to another. Divided, okay, we could have multiplied there too. Equal to and equivalent, okay, meaning the same as. So let's get started. Now, I've done the first few to start you off. Let's have a little look at what we've done. So, I know 8 centimetres is definitely less than a metre. So in my head, I know it's quite small. Now, I know this fact. I know that in 1 centimetre there are 10 millimetres. So to solve this problem, all I simply do is 8 centimetres times by 10 gives me 80 millimetres. Okay, let's have a little look at the next one. Now, again, I know this is quite a small number, okay, based on what I've learned up here, because if 80 millimetres was 8 centimetres, this answer is going to be smaller, okay? Now, this time, I know there's more millimetres than there are centimetres, and that there is 10 times as many millimetres as centimetres, so this time I'm going to have to divide my number. So 40 divided by 10, which I've got from here, 40 divided by 10 equals 4 centimetres. Okay. Now, looking at this one, I know that this is a lot more than 1 metre. Don't fall for thinking it's half a metre. It's more than 1 metre, because I know now that in 1 metre is the same as 100 centimetres. Now, to work out how many metres that is, all we need to do is 400 from here divided by 100. If we cancel out the zeros in both, we find out that it's 400 divided by 100 is 4 metres. Okay, let's have a little look at the last question. So this time we've got to convert 3,000 metres into kilometres. Okay, straight away I know I've got lots and lots of metres there. So I need to know my fact, all right? My fact is that there are 1,000 metres in 1 kilometre. I've got to know that. It's just something to put in your brain. So simply, same as this system before, I'm going to divide 3,000 divided by 1,000 from over here. And I know that 1,000 goes into 3,000 3 times, so my answer must be 3 kilometres. Go and have a go at these today. It is nothing new. Stick to the system. Remember this fact, and this fact, and you won't go wrong.